No one likes a broken thing, nor broken links. In today's video, we will discuss broken links. What are broken links? Reasons for the broken links and how to check the broken links of our website. We will cover all of this in today's video. Make sure to watch the video till the end because future videos will build on this one. Then you will understand them better. So pay full attention and let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. What does a broken link mean? Basically, whenever someone attempts to visit a URL on a site, the page doesn't load. You have probably seen it. Maybe you are shopping and you see page not found or display is not available. This is a broken link. First, let's understand why broken links happen on a website. The primary reason is that when you build the website and create pages and later change those URLs or slugs, maybe rename them or move them, then the old link will no longer be available. For example, my website is organicallymarketing.com and here is a blog organic keyword research in 2025 or URL is advanced keyword research in 2025. If I change this to this one, just keyword research like this and hit the enter, the result is oops, that page can't be found, right? So when we change them, then those old URLs can become unavailable. We can't change the domain name, but we can change the URL or slug. How can you create, make and change the URL or slug? We already learned about it. Watch all the videos carefully. The playlist link is in the description box below. Now the question arises, how do we fix this? We cannot just stop changing URLs because we need to update our website according to the latest SEO. We want it to produce the proper redirects. I will explain how to implement those in our upcoming videos. Furthermore, there might be a third scenario. I have a running page, for example, on my site, but I am going to delete the page after a while. If I delete it from my website, the internal and external links that were built around it will be deleted too. Then, whenever anyone tries to access that page, will run into a problem of a page not found or broken link. Any link we have removed can lead users to a dead end, right? The fourth reason could be that you added an image, video, PPT, or PDF in your blog for some reason, then you deleted it. But maybe anyone has their link and tries to open the blog from that link, then again he will face the issue of a broken link. No, next reason is we attach external link on our website. If the owner of that website changes the URL or slug without our knowledge, then users will face the same issue of a broken link and that broken link will be counted on our website, not that external website. So always try to update the external links also. The next and biggest reason is misspelling. Sometimes someone may type the wrong spelling of the page, then the page will not be found. For example, this is my blog, or if I type the keyword with A, the result is page not found. And if I miss the E in advanced ADVANCD, for example, I write this like and hit the enter, the result is the same, page can't be found. And for its solution, we add 404 redirections, like someone typed wrong spellings or keywords, but he or she should land on my correct page. So we will add 404 redirections. Now, how to add 404 redirections in our website, we will learn it in our upcoming videos. So don't miss any video. For now, let's check how you can check any website's broken link. And for this, I am going to use the reliable website with the name of brokenlinkcheck.com. I am not going to use my personal website organicallymarketing.com because there is no broken link. I will use shopify.com. Just simply copy the URL of your website, paste it here and click on find broken links. After that, fill the security code and again click on find broken links now. It will take some time, and the time depends on how big or small your website is. You can see a request is in progress. And after some time, here we have result. Here is server response as an error list. This is the link. If the error is 404, which means someone typed wrong keyword or wrong spelling. After that, bad host. Bad hosting means that if we have an external link on my website, then the external website has bad hosting or error or issue in their hosting, right? After that, the next error is 400. 400 means there is an issue or error from the client's side. There could be an error in their device or proxy or browser. After that, we have 504 error. 504 error means that a proxy or gateway is taking to is not connecting accurately with another server, right? And if you click on any of the error, the errors list will be open for you with an explanation line like this. 404 we already covered. 400 bad hosting. After that we have bad url. Bad url means you are adding or missing something like bracket, access slashes, or wrong protocol, etc. After that, we have bad code. Bad coding means our website's coding is too complicated for the algorithm or server to understand. After that, we have an empty error. Empty error means that the page URL or post you are opening is empty. There is nothing to show. Timeout simply that the website is taking too much time and the server is out of time. And reset error means that the website you are or URL you are opening is too heavy or too busy for opening, maybe due to bad server, due to bad proxy, or due to slow internet. So this is the list of the errors. And after that, if you click, you can see where the broken link is located, page were found. And if you click on src, the source file or coding of the website will be open for you. All the red highlighted area is the broken link, you can see. And if you click on url, the page will be or website will be open for you where the broken link is located. Let's experiment another one. Just click on src, the coding is here. If you scroll down the page, the red highlighted area is the broken link, right? And if you click on url, the post or page will be website's page will be open for you. So viewers, this is the way how you can check your website's broken links and fix them. Use this reliable website brokenlinkcheck.com for this. So viewers, in this video we learn about what a broken link is, its reasons, and how to check a broken link. In our next upcoming videos, we will learn more about it. So don't forget to subscribe Organically Marketing. And thanks for watching viewers. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.